Hey guys, what's up? Brendan here, aka Mr. Weaverface, and here I am with my snowblower. Just blew a bunch of snow off my driveway, and when I was operating the snowblower, I realized like it was bouncing up and down, and then when I checked the tires after I did the whole driveway out there, I noticed that both of the tires were flat. So I was able to fill up the air in this one, but for whatever reason, like I could not get air into the valve of this tire, and I was wondering if the valve was bad, or maybe because it's so flat there's not like a good seal on the wheel. So we're going to try something. I have a ratchet, and I'm gonna wrap it around the tire here to see if we can get the tire against the wheel better, get a better seal on it, and then throw some air in there and hopefully it'll fill up. So if this works, man, that's my tip of the day. I don't have it in the center. See if it works. It worked. By golly, it worked. So there you have it. That's how you do it. Ratchet the tire, get it close to the wheel, and that created that seal so you get the air that you actually put in through the valve stays in there. Amazing.